Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This will be the final video in the series. So in this video we will add functionality to the application. Let's go into the script.js file. First we add a list of codes. Then we will select elements from the HTML by their ID. Next, we will create the function that generates a random code. Then we generate a random index based on the code's array length. In the next step, we will update the text content in the HTML. Then we add an event listener for the button click. So the final step is that we call the function we created. Now let's try to see if the application works. And awesome, it all worked as planned. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Your support is what encourages me to keep making content for you all.